Good morning, children. How are you feeling today?
Good.
Okay, so before we begin with our lesson, let's talk about our theme for this term. Do any of you remember what our theme is?
Nature.
Yes, nature. Okay, so let's talk about nature first. What do all of you see in nature? Everything that's around you. Trees. Flowers. Bees. Yeah, animals. Of course.
Green color
Leaves. And leaves are part of a
plant.
plant. Okay, so for today's lesson, we'll be talking about a plant. But do you know what we're going to be doing today?
No.
Okay, before that, I'll be showing you a video about something related to a plant.
Okay.
So all of you have to tell me afterwards, what do you think this lesson will be about? Is that okay?
Yeah.
The video is all about what a plant needs to survive. So do all of you know the 4 things that were stated? Water, sunlight, nutrients and air. Okay, but since there's only 4 things, we'll be focusing on only one thing this week. And I'll be talking about water. Okay, so to talk more about water that plants need, we'll be doing an experiment today. We'll be doing it on a plant, and this experiment is called the Colour-changing Celery. Ooh.
So celery is a plant?
Celery is a vegetable, of course, but it comes from a plant. Yeah, of course, like every other vegetable. Okay, so before we start on this experiment, we need to know that this experiment will take 2 days. Because the first day we'll need to prepare all the materials, all of you will be doing that afterwards. And then we'll be waiting for the results, so tomorrow we'll go deeper into it. Is everyone ready to start the experiment?
Yes.
Okay, children, now that we are in the science center, we can begin our experiment. So as you can see, we have food coloring here, 1 red and 1 blue. We have 3 cups of water, and we have 3 celeries. Okay, since we are trying to find out what plants need to survive, which is water, we are going to be experimenting on how plants take in water. Okay, so for this experiment, I'll need Nicole. You just need a few drops of food coloring inside. You want to try? Okay, just put as many drops as you want. Yeah, just press it all the way.
Oh?
Yeah. Okay, now Jane Austen, you just need to fill the red one inside here. So let's press it for you. So all you have to do is just press it. You want to try? Okay, press it all the way until everything. See, now the color of the water is turning. Okay, now I'll need all of you to take this back and then start stirring it well until everything is mixed. Okay.
It looks mixed.
Is everything mixed, Gina?
I think so too.
Okay, we can put back our pipettes. Okay, now I'll need you to take one. Take one, of course, and then we'll put it in together. And we'll leave our celeries into the water for about 1 day.
1 day.
The reason why this is because we need to see, and we need time to see whether the water can take in the water or not. The celery can take in the water or not. My apologies. Okay, so we'll leave this for a while. But before we go, I'll need to ask you a question. What do you think will happen to the celery?
Die.
So it can die.
Because the coloring will affect the plant.
Oh,
So it will die.
possible. Gina, what do you think?
Nothing will happen.
Nothing will happen? That's also possible. Okay, we'll wait until tomorrow and we'll see what happens, okay? Okay, children, welcome back to the Science Center for another day. And I think I see some changes. Do all of you see changes too?
Yeah.
Nico, what do you see?
I see the leaf change color. Become like blue or greenish color.
Jaina, what do you see?
It's red color, then got like green spots around it.
What about the middle celery?
Nothing.
It looks like the same as yesterday.
Yeah, no changes, right? So we see that there has been changes made in the celery itself. So do any of you know why this happened?
No. I thought it would be the same as the middle one. Nothing happened.
Okay, so here comes the task for today. We'll be researching more about why this happened, and I prepared some materials for you in the computer area. Shall we go there?
Okay.
Let's go. Okay, in the computer area, I prepared 2 videos for both of you to watch. Alright, you can just press here and you'll play. And both of these videos will explain to you why the celery changed color. But in this video, I need all of you to discuss and think why this happened after you watch the video. Afterwards, I'll come to both of you, okay?
Okay.
Alright, you have 15 minutes to think, and I'll come back soon.
Okay.
Alright, you ready? I'll play for you, okay? Okay, children, you are done watching both of the videos?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll go back to the science area.
Okay.
Let's go! Okay, children, so based on the 2 videos you see just now, what do you think happened to the plants in the video?
The water.
The water go up, yeah.
Yeah, so the water went through and up the plant, right?
Yeah.
So what do you think happened to the water in the plants? For example, our celery, what do you think happened to the water and the plant itself?
The water go through some like straw. Remember the video?
Oh,
It says
yeah,
straw.
the straw.
Then it go up. That's why the red water become red.
Okay. Now I'm going to ask, what is the difference between the 3 cups you see here and the celery?
I don't know.
This one no change from yesterday, but these 2 got change. Is it?
Maybe you can look at the color of the water. We'll start with that. So what's different with all of the 3?
This one got color. This one got color.
This one no color. Okay, now we look at the celery, okay? Of the 3, which one has no color at all?
This one.
This one stayed the same. And if you can see, the leaves of the celery is the same color as the water. Remember when you watched the video just now?
Yeah.
When the plants, they take the water up from the roots all the way up to the leaves. It's the same as our celery because they'll take the red water and the blue water up, and the blue actually stays in the leaves.
You understand? So, in your own understanding, what do you think the celery change color?
And our lesson, I just want to recap with all of you. What did we learn today?
Water. Plants.
What about water?
The plants need water.
Yeah.
Plants need water.
Then the color will go into the leaf because the the stem suck the water up.
Yeah.
As the plant drink water, then everything all go up.
Yeah, good job. You're all correct. So today we learned more about why plants need water. But if you see the three of these, the plant or the celery that did not change at all is the middle one. But since it's taking up plain water, can I ask, why is this green? Do any of you know?
I don't know.
Okay. The reason why it's still green is because it needs sunlight. And remember, is sunlight one of the things that a plant needs to survive?
Yeah, the sun, water and sunlight.
Yeah. So, in the next lesson, we'll dive more into knowing about sunlight and plants. But for now, we have all learned about water.
Yeah.
Did all of you enjoy the experiment today?
Yes.
Okay, I'm glad you liked it. Let's clean up. Thank you, children.